Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good evening. So today we are from group 1. We are going to talk about discourse analysis in translation with a focus on how culture and ideology influence the way meaning is transferred between languages. So this topic is important because translation is not just about changing words. It's about understanding meaning in context. Next slide. So, what is discourse analysis? So, first, discourse analysis is the study of how language is actually used in a real-life communication. It goes beyond just grammar or individual sentences and looks at context like who is speaking, who they are talking to, and in what situation. For example, the same sentence can have different meanings depending on tone, setting, or relationship between the speakers. So, discourse analysis helps us understand not just what it said, but how and why meaning is constructed. So, the next slide will be presented by Hendra Simanjuntak.
Okay, now I continue to slide 3, the role of culture in discourse. Now let's move to culture. Culture includes shared values, beliefs, customs, and ways of thinking within a community. These cultural elements influence how people communicate and how they interpret messages. For example, in some cultures, people speak very directly, while in others, communication is more indirect or polite. So, if we ignore culture, we might misunderstand the real meaning behind the words. Next, slide 4. Cultural nuances in language. This brings us to cultural nuances in language. Every language has unique expressions like idioms, metaphors, and politeness rules. These are often deeply tied to culture and don't always have direct equivalents in another language. For example, an idiom in one language might sound confusing or meaningless if translated literally. That's why translators need to understand both the source and target cultures, not just the language itself. Now let's continue to slide 5. Ideology and its influence of translation. Next is ideology. Ideology refers to a system of ideas, beliefs, or values that shape how people see the world. This can include political views, social norms, or cultural perspectives. In translation, ideology can influence decisions such as word choice, tone, and even whether certain parts are emphasized, softened, or omitted. So, translation is not always completely neutral. There can be bias or external influence. That's all from me. Now, next slide will be read by my friend. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Hendra, for the material. I will the material case study, translation, and ideology. Consider George Orwell 1984 translation into various languages during World War. In the Soviet-allied countries, translation often softened anti-totalitarian, critical, or were banned entirely. Translators face pressure to after first, like Big Brother, to reduce political resonance. Meanwhile, Western translation emphasized utopian warnings, the demonstration how ideology shifts translation choice. From the word selection to emission raffling, and the translation role as culture mediator, navigating power, censorship, and the political context. Next slide, please. Mr. Rohan, thank you. And the key challenges in the translation. The translation ability, the culture reference. Translation must navigate the word and the first with multiply meaning as well as culture reference that might not exist or carry different connotation in the target language. Translation subjectively and the ethic. Every translation brings person, visit, and ideological perspective that influence their choice, raising ethical question about fidelity, censorship, and the power relation in the translation. The next material will be present with my friend Mr. Rohan.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Iskandar. Strategies for translators. There are three main strategies. The first one is awareness and research about the context. The second one is adapting the translation to the target culture. And the last is reflecting on personal bias. Next, why understanding discourse matters. Understanding discourse helps improve translations quality. It also increases cultural awareness and communication skills. This is important for both translators and language learners. Thank you for your attention.